Hi guys, it's Bricks Nostalgia here once again. What I would like to do with you today is to show you a quick application of Arduino to a Lego train layout. I would like to go straight away to the demonstration, and then we're gonna go through a few considerations, especially about where all this comes from. Okay, so what is supposed to happen here? As you can see, the train is stopped at the train station now. And what's supposed to happen once I'm gonna power the whole system up is that it's gonna alternate between the inner and the outer circles, and while in the outer circle it will just keep running non-stop. In the inner one, it's supposed to, where the train station is, it's supposed to stop for 3 seconds and restart again. Okay. As you can see here, there are one red sensor, there is one yellow sensor over there, and there is a 9-volt Lego Technic motor here that makes the track switch work. So yeah, I'm gonna power it up now and let's see what happens. Okay, so here we go. It's gonna take a second, you know, it needs to count 3 seconds first. Here it comes, it goes to the outer circle non-stop. Now, as you might have heard, the track switch changed. Now it stopped at the station for 3 seconds, and it's supposed to do this over and over non-stop. Okay, so I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna let it go for a few more seconds, and then we're gonna stop and I'm gonna go through a few considerations with you. Okay, so there we go. Now that it stops, I'm gonna cut the power off. Okay, so a few considerations. The very first one is about where all this comes from, and this is simply I'm pretty much adapting to a 12-volt layout what was already done by a person that is running another YouTube channel that is called Arduino Lego Trains. I will put the link in the description below. It's the program I'm using is exactly the same that he's using in his own tutorial. It's just that he's using 9-volt tracks, so things were a bit different when it was coming about rearranging the tracks and make things work in terms of hardware, if you understand what I mean. I'm a beginner of all these things, so I just use the same code. I just spent a lot of time studying it and understanding it. This is the main consideration, so please go to check out this channel, and I'm actually taking the occasion now to say thanks to the mystery man that is behind the channel, because it was really inspired, like this thing of combining a bit of electronics to Lego is it made it my ultimate hobby indeed. I think pretty much that's it. While I was putting this thing together, I just thought about customize a bit, adding one more sensor and make it as if there were 2 stations over here, so the train keeps running but it stops every time for every circle. I'm gonna put things together. I think it's not going to be difficult. I'm gonna put a link in the description below also for the slightly custom version of this project. I'm just going, before I leave you, I'm just gonna take the camera and just gonna go for a bit of a close-up, just so you can see a bit things. Hopefully it's gonna turn helpful to you. Okay, so now things are gonna get a bit shaky. Hope it's not gonna bother you too much. So I'm gonna go here first. As you can see, there is the 12-volt transformer. It's connected to the motor controller, and there will be 2 series of cables, one that goes straight to the truck and it will power up the truck, and this one goes straight all the way to the motor to the motor controller that controls the chuck switch. I made this customized. It's different from the one suggested in the Arduino Lego Trains tutorial, because the mechanism for a 12-volt chuck is different, but I think I'm gonna put a tutorial very brief here that shows what the principle is. Then what's this here? The sensors. There is one here. They're all connected through. I put everything all together in this little baseboard. Sorry, breadboard. And you can see here there is one cable that takes to the red sensor. They are light sensors, and then there's going to be a second one here, as you can see here, that goes all the way through and goes to the second sensor, which is going to be the one that is gonna get everything started when it comes about the truck switch. So that's it. I'm just gonna give you an overview, very brief overview. I just try to make it nice, put in a bit of sets, a couple of sets over. Guys, if you subscribe and you drop your email on the comment section, I'm gonna be more than happy to send you the code. I'm just gonna put a few notes on the code itself that hopefully will help you to understand a bit how things work, but for the rest, that's it. So I would like to leave you for now, and I'm going to put together a different scene, and then I will upload another video with a bit having the same layout but with a bit of a twist. Okay, so thanks for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, rate and comment, and if you have any questions or for anything, just drop in me, or if you have any suggestions about how things could be done, feel free to write something in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to read everything. Okay, thanks guys.